Some of you faced a problem with the lighter flame. Most of the lighters have a flame adjuster that increases or decreases the amount of gas going through the nozzle. But if there is no such as adjuster, you may take off a protector nozzle cover. Under that you will find something what looks like a flames adjuster gear wheels. Start unscrewing it under clockwise with some plugs or forceps. Using this hint, you may increase the flame as much as it will look like a flamethrower. Also, you may use a lighter as a USB flash card. At first, disassemble USB flash card with a connector and mount it inside the lighter. Glue it properly. Now you have very interesting, unique flash card. As sun, you run out of gas, but you need to make a fire. Take a pieces of a napkin and slowly spin the roller with scratching little pieces of silicone. Try to fire it up. As you can see, it lights up right away without any gas of matches. Disassemble a lighter and take out the piece of silicone. Assemble it inside the lighter spring. Warm it up until it gets red. Then throw it to see some flashy sparks. All you need is some fantasy. Apply to make this cool little bike as a souvenir. Fill up empty bottle with the gas. Then fire it up and will get to fly. In my case, it flew into a camera. Put it on an open fire and you will get pretty silly fire flame. And the last one for today, that even made to save you a life. If there is someone has attacked you and there is a lighter in your pocket, pick it up and throw it towards your opponent against the ground. The lighter will make a noisy smack, clap and falls apart. The opponent will run away and the world will be safe. If you